Now we will put our logo on the cup. But first, we have to activate add-ons on Blender. Now go to Edit. Choose Preferences. On search box, type Images. Tick the dialog box to activate of Export/Import Images as plain. You can save a preferences to use it for every time use Blender. Now Shift-A. Go to Images and choose Images as plain. Choose your images to use as logo. Now your logo show as a plane. Set it to the front of cup. Go to Modifier Properties, Add Modifiers, and choose Subdivision Surface. Choose Simple, and add Level and Render to 4. Then go to Modifier again. Add Modifier. Choose Shrink Wrap. On Target, choose Circle. Add Offset to 0.03. Now our logo has followed the shape of the cup. You can set the image as you like, whether big or small. Now we can set the light to make a good effect to the cup and logo. Deactivate camera views. Then scroll your mouse up to make a bigger camera view. Then tick to activate again. Activate the cup. Then go to Material. I want to make it look metallic by setting Metallic, Specular and Roughness. And you can do what you like. Now I think it all done. Finally you can render the image. This is our render result for coffee cup with logo on it. Click Image and choose Save or Save As to save our image. Give the name of your image. Choose the image format. I like to save as JPG, and click Save. You can use that image to be your desktop background. Click twice of your image. Then right-click on your mouse. Then choose Set As. And set as background. I hope you enjoy this video. Until now. See you and goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. See you on the next video. God bless you.